We all want to make it big like Mr. Beast and rake in the cash on YouTube. But not all of us have the knowledge, skills, equipment, or even the desire to be on camera. The good news is that you can still make a ton of money on YouTube without showing your face, using your voice, or even making the videos yourself. Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. In this video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of what it takes to build a profitable faceless channel and how to get started. First off, you need to select a niche for your channel. But rather than just picking a topic you like, you want to start with how you plan to make money from your channel and work backwards. I've already created a video on this subject, so I won't go into too much detail here. But once you have your monetization and niche idea, you need to plan out who your target audience is and what types of videos they want to see. To make sure you hit the mark from day one, you need to research your channel idea and your videos carefully. That way you have the best chance of going viral and gaining explosive growth. I'll put links in the video description to where you can get full training on exactly how to do this. But the key point to remember here is to make sure that you niche down and that every video you create, at least in the beginning, is for the same person. You want viewers to binge watch your content like they do on Netflix. Next, you want to research and plan out your first 30 videos. When you're ready to start the creation process, you then need to decide if you're going to make the content yourself or outsource it to freelancers. There are pros and cons to both options. If you do it yourself, you will save money and gain a deeper understanding of your niche and audience. But you will have a steeper learning curve, a heavy workload, and the quality of your videos may not be as good. Though there are great AI tools out there that can do a lot of the work for you. I'll put links in the video description to the ones I use and recommend. The ultimate goal should be to outsource as much as possible, or to at least hire people to use the AI tools to do the work for you. That way you free up your time to focus on monetization and finding good video ideas. You want to make the business as passive as possible. There's a reason we like to call this YouTube automation. Once ready, you want to bulk create your videos in advance and schedule them out, especially if you're doing the work yourself. This way you can get into a flow of creating content and retain a buffer should something go wrong. And something always goes wrong. A freelancer goes AWOL, or you burn out and need a holiday. You also always want to make sure that your channel and your videos are focused around your monetization strategy and passively push people towards your website or offers in the video description. So now that you have your content engine in place and videos are going live, you want to look at what works. YouTube gives you a ton of analytics and data, so you can double down on the successful topics. Your aim should be to continuously try to create better content with each video you create. That way your audience will remain engaged and you will future-proof your channel against competition. This is a long-term business after all. Done right, your channel could pay you for years to come. A bit like rent from a house that you spent time building. Now that you have an automated YouTube channel with weekly videos going live, your only job is to find ways to leverage that attention to make as much money as possible. This can be from YouTube ad revenue, affiliate products, video sponsors, selling online courses, merchandise, physical products, or even promoting your own business. The list is endless, but I recommend having at least 2 revenue streams on your channel and seeing YouTube ads as a bonus and not your main income source. From here, you could recreate the channel and websites into other languages to multiply your income with little effort. Or start to build channels in other niches and build out your media empire. The choice is yours. But the key to success with YouTube automation and faceless YouTube channels is understanding that you are in the attention business. The channel is a traffic source of real human beings for you to make money from. If you don't focus on making money from this, then you will most likely quit. Which is why I always recommend starting with your monetization idea first and building things around that single focus. With that said, if you would like full in-depth beginner-friendly training on how to build and launch your first profitable channel, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.